Hey friends, this is Feroz Hussain and I'm here for the first time on the camera on this YouTube channel, The Third Axis, for a reason. And the reason is that I'm going to launch a full free course on YouTube on CREO Parametric. So this video is gonna be an introduction video on CREO Parametric, because I presume a lot of people from you are still unaware of this software, that what this software is, why we should learn this software. So this video gonna be very helpful for those people. If you are my subscriber, you already know that I'm consistently uploading SolidWorks video on this channel, and I'm providing free course on SolidWorks as well. Now, along with the SolidWorks course, many of you have requested me to begin a course on CREO Parametric as well. So that's why I'm running this course. My goal is to provide all the 3D modeling and analysis software training courses free to you on this YouTube channel. So let's start with the basic introduction of CREO Parametric. So first of all, we should know what is CREO. So CREO is just another 3D modeling software like other softwares, SolidWorks, CATIA, and NX. So this is a computer-aided design software developed by PTC. Now the next thing is, what kind of services does this software provide to us? So it is a 3D modeling software, so it provides feature solid modeling and 3D direct modeling on 3D models. You can also create 2D orthographic views. You can derive 2D orthographic views from 3D models like other softwares. You can also perform finite element analysis and simulations on this software, which you may have seen in SolidWorks and other competitor softwares as well. You can also create schematic designs, technical illustrations, viewing and visualization options, which gives you a more engaging experience on this software. So the question is why we use this software, as a lot of competitors are already present in the market like SolidWorks, CATIA and NX. So if I share my experience using this software as compared to the other software, CREO is very easy to use and very light. If we compare this software to the SolidWorks, it is very easy than that. Now let's talk about some history of this software. So the CREO PTC product, formerly known as Pro-E. So many of you still know this software as Pro-E, as it formerly known as Pro-E, but now it is named as CREO. And it has different software packages, solutions and features, and very good example of this package is CREO Illustrate. So the next point is PTC began developing CREO in 2009. So this project started in 2009, but this project actually released its first version in 2011. And as you know, it is an American company, so its launch site is Las Vegas in USA. Now we have learned about many aspects of this software, and if we're gonna learn this software, we need to install the student version of this software on our system. So for that, we need to know about the basic requirements of this software. So if we want to install the latest version of CREO, it doesn't require a lot of RAM. As you can see, it requires a minimum of 2 GB of RAM and a processor of a single core with 1 GHz speed. You need a 1 GB of hard disk space, whether you are running your Windows on 32-bit or 64-bit platform, and the same condition applies to the operating system, and you need to have at least Windows 7 or higher. So that's all for the basic introduction for this CREO Parametric software. And from now on, our journey has been started. On this channel, I am providing a lot of free content. So if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest updates from the Third Axis. And I'll meet you with the next video on this software. Thanks for watching.